Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel, Raheth. Today I'm going to be reading This Is My Town. This is my town. This is my town. This is where I live. These are the people in my town. They live here too. This is our post office. The mail comes in here. I come here to mail letters. This is our fire station. The fire truck lives here. Go the
sirens.
Okay. When there is a fire, the firemen go to it. They put the fire out. That's a lot
Good job.
of firemen. This is a police station. Police officers work here. They keep our town safe. This is our dinner. Sometimes we come here for lunch. Yum.
This is our diner.
Diner.
Yeah, it's like a small restaurant. Read that page again.
This is our diner. Sometimes we come here for lunch.
Okay.
Yum. This is our town hall. Our mayor works here.
Good.
Sometimes we have police in our town.
Good.
This is our library. I come here to find books to read.
Good.
During story hour, the librarian reads to us. But when story hour is over, we have to be quiet.
Good.
She's telling them to be more quiet. This is our movie theater. I can buy my own tickets. I like to get popcorn. I am always extra careful.
Good.
Somebody pulled it this time. No. This is our store. Sometimes mom and dad let me walk here by myself.
Good.
This is our school. My friend and I are in
Miss Kitty's class.
Miss Kitty's class. School is fun. This is our pub. We play football here. This is our bakery. It has the best cupcakes. He actually does the cupcakes. This is our office.
This is the office.
This is the office of our town newspaper. It is a
Busy.
busy place. That's very good. Look, last week my picture was in the newspaper.
Good.
This is my town. It is the nicest place in the whole world.
Good.
The end. Bye.